Alright, hello, how are you doing? So today I decided to disassemble Acer laptop. It has some problems actually. It has a broken screen and polymers is worn out. So it has it is a E5-575G laptop actually with 7th generation CPU, 940X MX GPU. So yeah, decided to disassemble it fully because I want to sell it on eBay or on Amazon. Just all parts, not the whole laptop. So yeah, but of course if you want to get some knowledge how to disassemble this laptop, and just you can replace thermopaste, clean heatsink. So the first part will be useful for you. I will show you how to actually remove this cover, RAM cover, bottom base and polymer. So basically what you need actually if you want to upgrade your laptop maybe. So yeah, let's start. First of all, make sure that this laptop is already turned off. Yeah, look at that, already power messed. Wants to get off. Alright, so yeah, as you see, this laptop is turned off. Okay, so we're ready to disassemble this laptop. Of course, battery is inside and I cannot disconnect it right now. So first of all, what I can do, just remove RAM cover. So yeah, if you want to upgrade this laptop SSD to install more RAMs into this laptop, yeah, you can. This part is useful for you. Just 3 screws only, and yeah, I'm gonna use this plastic pad actually to open the RAM cover. Here we go. It's very easy. So yeah, if you want to install another RAM, it is a space for it, but as I mentioned, I'm gonna disassemble it. So let's disconnect this RAM cover. It's DDR4, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. What else? I have HDD storage, of course. Yeah, so just push to the side, and yeah, you can use this one maybe. I don't see any screws here. I think this laptop wasn't ready. Disassembled ones. So yeah, here we go. We have HDD storage with a plastic holder. Yeah, you can upgrade this one. It has for now 1 TB of capacity. Okay, so also we have SSD M2 driver. So yeah, let's unscrew this one. Only 1 screw as well, and now we can easily just drag it like this. It is DDR SSD, 128 GB storage, SanDisk. Of course, you can upgrade to 256 maybe. So yeah, it's like a first part. Okay, what else we can do? Right now I think I need to unscrew these screws as well, because I want, as I mentioned, to disassemble this laptop fully. The second part, this one, actually the same if you want to open the bottom base and find the heatsink. CPU to replace thermal paste, just clean from dusts. Yeah, so the screw holds the CD driver. So yeah, also let's remove it, because I won't be able to actually to remove bottom base with CD driver. Don't forget about that. So yeah, I have actually more screws here, 3 screws here, and a lot of here. So yeah, these screws actually holds the palm rest. So if you want to remove palm rest, I think you need to unscrew all the screws. Of course, if you want to, after disassembling, to assemble it back, so just put all screws in one place, and don't mess it up with them, because I guess some screws are not the same length. Check. All screws are the same length, but yeah, I recommend to put, if you unscrew RAM cover, just put all screws on cover. If you unscrew bottom base, just put all screws near the bottom base. Because sometimes if the screw not the same length, you can just screw it through the part and damage. Sometimes it will be only like plastic damage, but you can damage the worst thing, motherboard, and also it would be a big damage, of course. So yeah, a lot of screws here. Keep in mind that Acer, it doesn't have a strong plastic, so be careful when you're disassembling Acer laptops. Acer laptops like to broke. Of course, you can use a magnet or magnetic screwdriver. Actually, it will be easier to pull out all screws. Yeah, so this laptop, actually, if it is in good condition, it is not so cheap, about 250 euros actually. It's not bad, but it's pretty old, but it's still not bad because it has dedicated GPU. Okay, I think all screws are on the table, and let's check twice, of course, everything. Okay, and right now we can actually try to remove a palm rest. Be careful about this bezel. Something wrong as well. And as you can see already, if I try to open the screen, palm rest goes as well. So be careful when you already unscrewed the palm rest at the bottom base. Just the big risk is at this time it is the biggest risk to damage or something to broke, So yeah, I'm using this plastic pad to disassemble bottom base with palm rest. And here we go, we have bottom base. Speakers are connected here, so also be careful to don't cut the wires off. So yeah, you can use, I will show you. You can use tool like this, something like push one side gently and then another side Okay, not so easy as it looks. Okay, one speaker is disconnected. Yeah, it has only one wire. 4 speakers. Yeah. Okay, bottom base. It's not damaged. That's very good because it's pretty hard to actually to disassemble Acer laptops without damage. Should be very careful about that. Okay, so actually we have a third part. We can call it like this. So yeah, we have fan heatsink. Actually, if you want to change thermal paste or clean dusts, so with tool brush you can clean fan. Thermal paste is here. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to actually remove heatsink and fan actually. So if you want to change thermal paste on your laptop, so yeah, check this video. Okay, another screw. So yeah, look at that. This is heatsink actually. Already the thermal paste is dry, so of course this laptop won't work well with thermal paste like this. Just yeah, if you want to change the thermal paste, just of course clean with paper and just put some thermal paste on it and just screw it again. Okay, so right now it's time for heatsink. Okay, heatsink. Heatsink is connected with a cable, so yeah, do the same with like with a speaker. Just trying to move to one side to another side and pull it to the left side. And here we go. Heatsink is removed. Actually, you can you see these clips. Actually, you can open if you want to. Look at that, like this. Try to open, but I don't know. You can just use a tube brush to just clean all sticks here, and I think it would be enough. Actually, after cleaning and changing thermal paste, the same procedure, just put everything back like this, and put a bottom base, and you're ready to actually to use this laptop again. Okay, so we're moving to another part actually. Right now I'm gonna to disassemble it fully, of course. Here we go, we have a battery now. Maybe, yeah, I forgot actually after removing the bottom base, maybe it's the first job is to disassemble actually battery, maybe, because yeah, don't want to damage our motherboard, because as you know we have some electricity here with the power battery, so of course disconnecting batteries I'll recommend it to do it firstly. So yeah, I have a battery. Okay, just put it here. What else about this laptop? Yeah, I guess screen was disconnected already. Yeah, screen cable. Okay, so what else about? about this laptop yet, so we can disconnect. I know. Okay, maybe I'm gonna use another screwdriver. It is a Wi-Fi card actually. Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes Wi-Fi module also. Sometimes it's broken and doesn't work well, so if you want to replace it, just get something like this. Okay, what else? Screen cable is here. Okay, so we can actually disconnect our motherboard parts. This part is called the USB port actually. Unscrew only, and we have a small motherboard parts. Actually has some other connection type like this. We have to pull it up, and then you can disconnect cable easily. Yeah, usually cables are glued to the polymer, so also carefully to remove from polymers, because yeah, as I mentioned, I want to sell all parts of this laptop separated. So yeah, I have a. Okay, so let's continue this USB port, of course. What else we have? Yeah, we can unconnect this cable. Actually, this power cable as well. Okay, so maybe it's time to remove the most important part here is a motherboard, of course. So yeah, let's try to unscrew it, maybe with maybe better would be actually with a smaller screwdriver to remove screws. As you see, the size of screws of a motherboard are smaller here. Right, so that's it actually. Almost ready to disassemble the motherboard. Just the last cable. It is test keyboard actually with the same connection, but as you see, there is a stick. Yeah. Okay. Stick, and what else? Another cable. Oh yeah, it is a polymer cable, the last one. And we have it, the motherboard actually of Acer laptop. We cannot remove CPU, of course, and GPU. It is solid. So what else left? Actually, we can right now unscrew hinges. And what about, touchpad also is removable. I guess 3 screws for armrest. So if you disassemble your laptop, actually can I recommend you to disassemble laptop as much as possible, because you can get actually more for a single part instead of selling the whole laptop actually. Alright, the last screw, maybe this one. Okay, check twice. Everything is unscrewed, I guess. And right now, I think we're ready to open the power armrest, but of course, I recommend to open the hinges first, because it can damage actually power armrest if you open power armrest without screws. Okay, good. So we have Wi-Fi cable as well. Yeah, we have a keyboard actually. It is a screen, just put outside somewhere for a while, because I want to actually to remove our power armrest if it's possible, but it should be possible. Let's try to push a little bit like this. Oh, I think still, maybe I'm still on the sticker. Even the sticker should be some screws. Interesting, I cannot see a single one. Yeah, I was right actually. We have another 2 screws actually, and the stickers, so it's a risky thing sometimes. You cannot see where is the screw actually, so always if it doesn't go as should, just check twice if maybe somewhere you missed a screw. Okay, so here we go. We have a power armrest, touchpad actually, it's called. Okay, so power cable also you can remove like this. And actually power armrest is solid with a keyboard, so I won't remove actually the keyboard. but if you can, and if you want to sell, actually, yeah, this is one of the most sellable part, actually, keyboard, because usually this is very easy to damage keyboard and as well. At least one key is to broke is very easy. So now I have a screen. Yeah. What I want to do actually, it's to remove screen bezel. We call this part. It calls actually the screen. Also, be careful because it's so easy to break these sticks, holders. Okay, screen. Of course, if you want to replace the screen of your laptop, actually the same procedure, just as you noticed, you need to open bottom base actually, because yeah, sometimes you need to open, sometimes you don't need. Actually, you can try to remove first screen bezel. After that, you can try to, if it is removable, actually you can open replace the screen easily, like in this case. But sometimes you need to open bottom base of armrest actually, if you want to replace the screen. Okay, so screen is connected with this cable actually. Usually it has a sticker, and if you want to replace the screen, just check this number, these letters, NT156 VHM N42. Just try to find out this model if you want to replace it. What else? If you're replacing actually screen, always check these parts, because sometimes the screen doesn't have, and of course how many pins here. The screen has 30 pins, but sometimes laptop has 40 pin screen, of course. Yeah, and almost the last part actually, it's to remove a screen cable, just and the hinges. So yeah, from laptop you can get maybe up to 20 parts, separate parts. The most valuable, of course, it is GPU, CPU, of course, if it is older laptop. Sometimes you can replace it. Power mesh also should be a good part to sell. Okay, a lot of screws, of course, for hinges. Okay, here go one hinges, another hinge. So yeah, I have two hinges, and what else? The last part to remove is screen cable. Also, some people change it. Sometimes if screen doesn't show any sign of life. And as you see, actually screen cable usually is connected with screen camera. Okay, let's remove it. And yep. another side, and yeah, we have a screen cable actually with screen camera. You can disconnect also screen camera as well and sell it as separated part. And that's it. So we have top lid actually of the laptop, and as you see one part just vent off, because this laptop is pretty old, and you know it's Acer, so to separate all laptops, especially Acers and maybe Asus laptops as well, it's not so easy to separate it 100% without damage. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys, and that's it. If you have some questions, type below, maybe I could help you, and see you next time.